subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Xiaomi has already confirmed that the company will be launching a new Mi Mix series smartphone later this year. Along with the Mi Mix 4, the company is also confirmed to launch a tablet device. Ahead of the launch of the Mi Mix 4, more and more information related to the smartphone keeps surfacing online. One such report is claiming that the device will come with the leading display design. It claims that the phone will have a full-screen design without any notches. It could mean that Xiaomi could be among the first phone makers to launch a smartphone with under-display camera technology. So far, only ZTE has launched a smartphone with under-display camera technology. It had launched the Axon 25G last year and is now gearing up to launch its successor, dubbed as the Axon 30. Xiaomi had earlier teased the under-display camera technology using a prototype device. Last year, in September, it was reported that the company's under-display cameras made by TCL could arrive in 2021. There are also reports that the Mi Mix 4 could feature the four-sided waterfall display with 88-degree curves, which was recently unveiled by Xiaomi. However, do note that all these have not been confirmed by the company yet. We expect more details about the smartphone to surface online and teased by the company as the launch date nears. Till then, we will have to rely on leaks and reports hitting at possible specs and features. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.